Inspiration for our recipe comes from many places. I've always liked the seafood salad from the local grocery store. I asked ChatGPT how to make it. AI in the kitchen. Let's see how it turns out.
So this is what AI told me. Shrimp, I added imitation crab. Celery. Red onion, I used green onion. Frozen peas, that seems unusual. Mayo and sour cream. Lemon juice. Mustard, I skipped that, not a fan of mustard. Salt and pepper. Dill, I mixed it in. And added some as garnish. So I did pretty well what Chat said to do with a few changes. I had some cooked shell pasta. I'll use that. 2 stalks of celery cut into small pieces. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And add that. Two green onions, and cut into small pieces. And add that into the bowl. Thawed out frozen peas. And cooked shrimp. Let's remove the tails. And cut them in half as directed. They are a little bit large. Add them to the bowl. It's starting to look good. A small package of frozen fake crab meat. This is extra, but I like fake crab. I wonder what a pollock actually looks like. Ha ha ha. Yogurt. Mayo. The consistency is starting to look right. Lemon juice, a bit more would have been nice, and mix that up. Chop up some fresh dill. Mix it in. We can still save a bit for a garnish. serve it out. And enjoy.
That was actually pretty good. Not a fan of peas, but a nice taste.
Ingredients: 2 cups small pasta, 1/2 pound cooked shrimp, 1 cup imitation crab, 1/2 cup celery, 1/4 cup green onion, 1/2 cup frozen peas, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, 1/2 cup mayo, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 sprigs of fresh dill, salt and pepper to taste.